表演即将开始，在表演进行时，动物可能会很靠近你，请留在座位上，并不要触摸动物，请当心您的小孩和个人物品。温馨提醒：本公园是个禁烟场所，请勿吸烟。希望你会喜欢今天的表演。Hadirin yang terhormat, pertunjukan akan segera dimulai. Selama pertunjukan, para binatang akan datang mendekati Anda. Harap tetap berada di tempat duduk Anda dan dilarang menjangkau atau menyentuh para binatang. Harap awasi anak-anak dan barang bawaan Anda. Juga harap diingat bahwa ini adalah area bebas dari asap rokok. Kami harap Anda menikmati pertunjukan ini. பெரியோர்களே, தாய்மார்களே, நிகழ்ச்சி விரைவில் தொடங்க உள்ளது. நிகழ்ச்சியின் போது மிருகங்கள் உங்களுக்கு மிக அருகில் வரக்கூடும். உங்கள் இருக்கையிலேயே அமர்ந்தீர்கள். மிருகங்களை தொட முயற்சிக்காதீர்கள். உங்கள் குழந்தைகளையும் உடைமைகளையும் கவனமாக பார்த்துக் கொள்ளவும். இந்த பார்க்கில் புகைப்பிடிக்க கூடாது என்பதை நினைவில் வைத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும் என நம்புகிறோம். 皆様、間もなくショーが始まります。ショーの最中、動物たちが間近にやってくることがありますが、どうかお席をお立ちにならないよう、また動物たちにお手を触れないようお願い申し上げます。お子様、そしてお手荷物から目を離さないよう十分ご注意ください。なお、こちらのパーク内は終日禁煙となっております。皆様のご協力をお願いいたします。それではどうぞショーをお楽しみください。
공연이 곧 시작됩니다. 공연 중에는 동물들이 가까이 올 수도 있습니다. 자리에 계속 앉아주시고 손을 뻗어 동물들을 만지는 일을 삼가해 주시기 바랍니다. 어린이들의 안전에 유의해 주시고 개인 소지품을 잘 보관하시기 바랍니다. 저희 공원 내 모든 곳은 금연구역임을 다시 한번 알려드립니다. 그러면 즐거운 관람 시간이 되기를 바라겠습니다.
देवियों और सज्जनों, शो अब शुरू ही होने वाला है। शो के दौरान जानवर शायद आपके काफी नजदीक आ जाएं। मेहरबानी करके बैठे रहें और जानवरों को छूने की कोशिश न करें। अपने बाल बच्चों और अपने सामान पर नजर रखें। ध्यान रहे, पार्क में कहीं भी धूम्रपान मना है। आइए शो का मजा उठाएं।
For your safety, please listen to the following announcement. Please take note of the various exits. In the case of an emergency, proceed to the nearest exit. Our staff will be present to guide you. Proceed to the exits in an orderly manner and do not panic. Thank you.
Hello and a very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How is everyone feeling on this lovely morning? Feeling good? Yes, very good. My name is Chandra and welcome to the Kings of the Sky show. Birds of prey and captivated men with their strength, speed and agility. In just a couple of moments, there will be birds making low flights right above you. Would you like that? Yes, all right. Now, before all that can take place, we will need your help. When the birds are flying low above you, please do not try to reach out and touch them. This is for your safety and for the bird's safety as well. And also refrain from walking around or standing up during the show. You might distract the other audience. And if you happen to be consuming any food, please keep them away because some of our birds are very curious and they might just decide to come down and share your snacks with you, right? All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So can we all agree on this? Yes, very good. Shall we start? Excellent. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to start off with, our very first bird can be found in Southeast Asia. It is the largest species of eagle that you can find right here in Singapore. Now, I'm talking about the white-bellied sea eagle, and in the wild, these birds are known to go for venomous banded sea snakes, right? So, we're going to do a little demonstration today. I have with me a replica of a banded sea snake. Now, I'm going to toss this into the pond. We're going to watch the eagle make an attempt to snatch the snake away from the surface of the water, right? For those of you who have those big DSLR cameras, you might want to focus somewhere in the corner right over there. That would be a good spot, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, you ready for this? Oh, no one had breakfast. Let's try this one more time. Are you ready for this? Excellent. Just turn your heads around, look right back there. Let's welcome Chandra. Here he comes. Whoa! In goes the snake. Nice catch. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. Well done indeed. Now you might be wondering, how do these eagles get a good grip over very slippery prey like a sea snake? Well, all sea eagles have rough undersides which enable them to get a good grip. As you can see, he's very possessive over his catch. He will not let go of it very easily. Watch what happens when I make an attempt to forcefully remove the lure without doing a fair exchange, alright? Watch this very carefully. Can I have this back? Doesn't want to let it go, look at that. Okay, very possessive. So, how do I get back my lure? Very simple. A fair exchange. Satria, this is for you. There you go. Thank you very much. And by the way, he's still a juvenile. He's about 4 years old. And once he hits the age of 7, that's when the feathers on his head, all the way down to his belly, will turn completely white in color. Hence the name, the white-bellied sea eagle. Now let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Our next bird of prey has got a very keen sense of smell. It's able to pick up the stench of a rotting carcass a mile away. Ladies and gentlemen, I mentioned the word carcass, right? What type of a bird of prey would you associate with a carcass? Oh, say louder, please. Vulture, very good. So everyone, let's welcome Titan. Ladies and gentlemen, Titan the turkey vulture. And turkey vultures can be found in the Americas. They're pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. As I mentioned earlier on, keen sense of smell. So usually the turkeys are the first to reach a carcass. Now they may be the first, but at times they might not be able to consume the food as yet because unlike their larger counterparts, turkey vultures do not have strong and powerful beaks to rip apart very tough meat. So they will have to rely on larger vultures to help them out. Here's a very interesting fact about the turkey vulture. They have got very acidic stomach acid. Almost 0 pH level. So you can imagine how powerful their digestive system is, alright? Okay, thank you very much, Titan. Time for you to head back home. Almost that way, all the way back to Matthew. Bye-bye. Off you go. Short flight. Good boy. Round of applause for Titan, everyone. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, earlier on you saw an eagle with phenomenal eyesight. A turkey vulture with keen sense of smell. That's right. Now, our next bird of prey, alright, has the keen sense of hearing. Let me give you a hint. It's a nocturnal bird of prey. Owl, very good. We've got one waiting very patiently right back there. Before the owl makes its way down, a gentle reminder to everyone, please remain seated and be as quiet as possible so you can get to experience the owl's silent flight. Right, here he comes. Wow, very low above the heads. Ladies and gentlemen, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this very soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. Well, that's not the only reason. There's another reason too. What do owls mainly hunt for at night? Anyone knows? Mice and rats, right? Rodents. Rodents come out at night, and rodents have an acute sense of hearing. So the owl has to be very quiet in order to catch its prey without being detected at all. That's why they're also known as the silent hunters of the night. Ladies and gentlemen, this very adorable looking one over here is belang. Belang is our Malay fish owl, and Malay fish owls can be found throughout Southeast Asia. This particular species has evolved to hunt for fish, so that makes them very unique, right? Oh, look who's joining us right now. Hello, everyone. That would be Adric. Adric the barn owl, and barn owls are commonly found throughout the world, except for Antarctica, right? Now, both these birds were hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park at our Breeding and Research Center, which is located right back there. Belang's about 9 years old, and Adric is still pretty young. He's about 4 years old, okay? Now, here's a very interesting fact about the barn owl. Amongst the owl species, they have got hypersensitive hearing. They're able to pounce on a prey in total darkness just by, relying on the sense of hearing. That's how powerful it is, right? Okay, thank you very much, Adric. Bye-bye. Everyone say bye-bye, Adric. There you go, nice flight, look at that. Okay, ooh, take a look at Belang right now. Did you notice that he was able to turn his head all the way to the back? Yes, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, how many degrees do you think an owl is able to turn its head? 360. Okay, hang on. I heard 360. Anyone else different answer? 180 and 270. 170 as well, okay. I'll make this easier for everyone. How many of you think it's about 360 degrees? Raise your hands. 360, okay. What about 170 to 180? 170 to 180, okay. And 270 degrees? 270 degrees, oh, okay. Well, looks like most of you got it right. The correct answer would be 270 degrees. Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. Well done, well done. But ladies and gentlemen, I must say, 360 degrees not possible. That is a full circle, the owl might sprain its neck, alright? We don't want that happening. Only about 270 degrees, okay? Thank you very much, Belang. Bye-bye, see you. Now, for our next segment, I will need the help of a young volunteer, alright? Let's see. Okay, young lady, you're very fast. You want to try? Right this way. Let's give her a big round of applause. Right this way. Hello. Okay, just make your way to the center right over there. Alrighty. Hi. Good morning. How are you? What's your name?
Dishita.
Dishita, where are you from? From India. Okay. Are you excited to volunteer today? Yes. You know what you're going to do? No. Okay, I'll tell you shortly. What's going to happen is we're going to get Dishita, right? That's your name, Dishita? We're going to get Dishita to handle the stick, alright? We're going to skewer a piece of meat at the tip of it, and we're going to watch our Brahmini kite make an attempt to snatch it away. Now, Brahmini kites are very agile and maneuverable in flight. So what's going to happen is, first of all, I'm going to skewer the piece of food at the tip. Okay. You had breakfast? Yes, okay, very good. Alright, Dishita. Now, both hands, hold it tightly. There you go, 2 hands. Okay, the other hand also. Okay, stretch your arm out. Very good. Are you ready for this? Okay, don't worry. I'll be here to help you out, alright? Alright, now Dishita and everyone else, look right over there. Let's welcome Rado. Here he comes. Whoa, nice. Okay, we're going to try this one more time. One more time. Okay, young lady, once again. Hold on to the stick again. There you go, there you go. Excellent. Boom, well done. Everyone, let's give our young volunteer a big round of applause. Thank you, girl. Thank you very much. Thank you. High five, high five. Excellent. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Brahmini kites are also known to catch insects in mid-air. And to demonstrate that, let's welcome our team of Brahmini kites. And here they come. Okay, what's going to happen is I'm going to toss food really high up in the air, just like that. Whoa! And we're going to watch the Brahmini kites make an attempt to catch it in mid-air. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do this 10 times. Alright, and I would like all of you to count together with me. Can you do that? Yes, okay, we're gonna start off with number one very shortly. How about you, boy? One, oh! That was fast, okay. Number two coming up. Oops. Ready. Where did they all go? Okay, right over there. Whoa! Number two, look at that, very competitive. Three, you have to count louder, folks. Okay, I'll make a deal with all of you. The louder you count, the higher I'll throw. Okay? That was close, right? Okay. Number six coming up. Excellent. Okay. Oops. There you go. How about you? That was seven. Okay, low one for you. Three more throws left. I thought he was going for the food. Okay, not to worry again. Two more throws, two more throws. Let me move back a little bit, get a good angle. That was 9 or 8? 9 or 8? 9, right? Okay, one very last one. Hang on. Okay, that guy right back there. 10! Well done, well done. Thank you very much, thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, how was that? Having fun? Yes, would you like to have more fun? Okay, how about another volunteer to help me out? Okay, this time an adult volunteer. All right, someone from this side. How about a brave, strong gentleman from this side? Okay, so you want to try? You want to try right this way? Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. Hello, right this way, sir. You can stand right over here. Hi, why don't you tell everyone what's your name, where you're from?
My name is Mario and I'm from Australia.
Mario from Australia, welcome to Singapore. Now Mario, I have a question for you. Have you ever handled any birds of prey before, like a hawk or an eagle?
No.
Never ever. Well, today's a very lucky day. Very shortly, we'll get one to fly down, land